Why preventive maintenance is important managing small apartments. Hello, I'm Cordell Davenport with Small Apartment Investors. I have a website called smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check it out. There's a lot of things I have on there. It talks about buying and managing small apartments. And I continue to try to do my best to push out information. So continue to check me out. In this video, I'm going to talk about why maintenance is important when managing small apartments. Preventive maintenance is a proactive approach to protecting and managing the value of what you own. It requires significant planning and scheduling. And there are a lot of benefits to it. It does extension of the life of equipment, reduce unexpected problems, and lessen the likelihood of normal problems becoming more costly ones. A proper preventive maintenance program will, drum roll, reduce service requests, reduce expenses, extend the useful life of fixtures and equipment, increase resident satisfaction and resident retention, increase the value of the property. All right, that's about it on this video, everyone. But just know that a good preventive maintenance system begins with a thorough inspection of the property and a list of all items that are subject to regular inspection. This list can be developed or updated by walking through the property and taking note of maintenance equipment, components structurally, and the condition. So have a plan, work the plan. That's it for this video. See you soon.